Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some shocking long to short hair transformations. So here we have someone, she has this long waist length hair. So here is the before. She cut off 22 inches and got a bob. Very nice. So moving right along, we have someone else who is deciding to big chop into a bob haircut. All of that long hair is gone. Oh, so she got a pixie here. All right, so next up we have another long to short transformation. Her hair looks like it's about mid back length, and she also wants to get a bob. So that long braid is gone, and here the stylist is adding some layers. Bangs in the front. Oh, very cute. So here we have someone, now she has some really thick hair here, about waist length or so, and bam, she gets a nice chic shoulder length bob, center part down the middle. So here we have someone, it looks like she switched it up by going just a tad bit shorter, got some bangs and this beautiful reddish brown color. Whoa, okay, her hair is very long. Wow, gorgeous mid-length cuts. And then we have another bob. So the stylist cuts that hair right off. And she gets a carefree bob haircut. I love this length. So here we have someone with two braids, and she chopped the hair off into this cute carefree bob, loving the bangs in the front. Oh, I love this. Very cute. Perfect for the summer. All right, next up we have someone, she has this gorgeous reddish brown hair color. If you guys follow this channel already, you know that I am obsessed with the red hues. So it looks like she's getting some layers here. Ooh, I just love her hair color. The layers look great, but I think the best part about her hairstyle is definitely the color. How my haters think my appointments will go. So she's getting a cut and a color transformation here. There is the before, and there is the after. Ooh, beautiful tousled bob. And then here we have someone, she has this pretty ginger color. And she is going to go shorter with a bob. So many bob transformations in today's video. She is getting that color refreshed as well. Hopefully, oh, oh, wow. This is like an ash teal color. Oh, and she got a pixie bob. Wow, I was not expecting this transformation. I thought she was just going to do a refresh of that copper tone. Such an interesting color mix. And then we have a layered haircut style. Beautiful layers. Followed by another layered cut. And this is a very popular hairstyle at the moment. We're seeing so many different layer variations. Ones from the 70s, the 90s. A lot of retro inspired layered looks. So here we have a bob with bangs, beautiful color. Followed by a mid-length cut with bangs. And we have someone with this beautiful thick hair. She ended up cutting the hair into a bob. Face framing bangs as well. Another layered cut with the bangs. So if you're looking for a simple way to shake things up, whoa! I was going to say you can try out a layered hairstyle, but this big chop is, wow, going super short with this one. Oh. Really chic pixie cut here. Wow, I love the drama. And a lot of texture there. It's almost like a baby mullet style. And then we have another layered haircut style. So yeah, back to my original thought. If you are thinking of shaking up your hair and you don't want to do anything too drastic, layers is going to be your best bet. Or you can also do bangs, or you can do a layered look with bangs. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these fall hairstyle ideas and shocking hair transformations. I'm going to leave you with this last beautiful bob makeover. If you enjoyed this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.